Uh-oh.
You.
Boy.
Surrender. The All-Father demands it.
No.
Good.
This fight is mine, boy. Go.
And where do you think you're going? Oh no, brother. The little freak's got a bow. What are we gonna do?
Don't tell me what to do. I will cripple you!
Have a good time.
I can't remember the last time we faced an actual challenge.
Oh, there's a challenge. An old man and his stillborn.
I can't see.
Stay behind me, boy. Why do you hunt us? What does Odin want?
Oh no, don't care.
Come here, half-blood. You don't know that is hand.
Shut up! Don't call me that!
Can't believe you've lasted this long. Those skinny little logs can barely lift them up.
I said shut up!
Calm yourself, boy.
Try again.
Looks like they need us.
More than happy to teach
I'll take the rope. You mean to oppose the right of Asgard?
Hang on, lad! You've got some father, kid. I almost feel bad for you. Your daddy must be ashamed. Come here. Your mother ugly or something? She cut up your face so you'd look at her.
Don't talk about my mother!
Don't talk about my mommy.
Don't listen to him, lad. He's trying to rile you up.
Idiots! Son of
The sons of Thor are welcome to try.
Head!
Sorry, overstepped, yeah?
Gonna
Behind
drive your carcass to Asgard.
You're pathetic.
Gonna drive your carcass to Asgard.
You're pathetic.
Behind you!
You're pathetic.
Leave it to me!
Awesome.
That's a little rough.
Stop it!
Boy! Stay focused.
Oh, that must have been some war to play with the likes of him.
I'll kill you!
Atreus! Control yourself!
Lightning! No! How did you... You have no idea. You son of a bitch!
Get this guy! I'll rip your head off!
Sickness. Fever has returned.
No! It hasn't.
Boy,
The coughing, the blood. The boy's sick, he needs Freya.
No!
Steady.
I'll be alright.
There you go, lad.
I'm fine, see?